Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. As a barber, your principal tools of the trade are combs, brushes, shears, clippers, outliners, and razors. Today, I want to discuss some implements and tools used in barbering. First up, let's talk about combs. Combs are made from various materials in different shapes and sizes. Now, a good quality comb is just slightly flexible with smooth, rounded teeth that will comb through the hair without snagging individual strands. So your clients are not sitting up here, ow, ow, ow. Beware though, sometimes people have some overly kinky hair that will take out a few teeth. Now personally, myself, I have been trying to hold on to combs knowing they are trash. As soon as a comb is missing a tooth, it is trash. On to the next one. Let's talk about brushes. Come on. Styling brushes are used to control, smooth, wave, or add fullness to hair or to stimulate the scalp. The choice of bristle texture, spacing, and material will depend on the hair texture, the hairstyle to be achieved, and the barber's personal preference. Some widely used brushes that I use are a paddle brush, round brush, and vented brush. A paddle brush is used for general brushing and detangling. They are available with all bristle and base types in a rectangular or oval shape. A round brush is used to create volume and/or curl in blow-dry styling. They are available with all bristle types in metal or plastic bases in different diameters. A vented brush is used for general drying and styling work. The rigid base has openings or vents to facilitate quicker drying. Last thing I want to talk about are clippers. Clippers and outliners are two of the most important tools used in barbering. Clippers can be used for a variety of cutting techniques, from blending to texturizing. Outliners, also known as edgers, are essential tools for finish and detail work. Today's barber has a vast array of clipper styles from which to choose. Now, I found it fascinating as a kid that the barber had so many clippers. Then I got into the field and I understand completely what they all do and what they mean to the barber. I still have the first pair of clippers that I bought in barber school, which are the Oster 111s. I have them but no longer use them. However, they are still close to my heart. Today we have discussed combs with teeth and without. We also talked about brushes and how they work with hair, and followed up with a little info on clippers. If you like this video, please make sure that you like and share it. You can find us on Facebook at Howard Brown Online Barber College. You can also visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Remember that barbering starts in the book. We'll see you next time.